Enforcement Directorate has arrested Heera Group chief Nowhera Shaik in Gurugram in connection with an alleged 3,000 crore rupees investor fraud case involving more than 1.72 lakh investors across India. According to officials, Shaik was taken into custody on Thursday from an Airbnb accommodation in Sector 45 Gurugram, where she was reportedly living under a false identity using forged documents. She has been arrested under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and was produced before a special PMLA court in Hyderabad, which remanded her to judicial custody. The case stems from multiple FIRs registered by police in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh against Shaik, her associates and various Heera Group entities. Investigators allege that investors were promised returns of up to 36% annually, but neither the promised profits nor the invested principal amounts were returned. The ED further stated that funds collected from investors were allegedly diverted through company accounts for personal use and for acquiring movable and immovable assets. Several such properties have already been attached as proceeds of crime under the PMLA. The agency also accused Shaik of attempting to delay the investigation and obstruct the auction of attached properties by submitting misleading affidavits before courts and revenue authorities. In a recent development, the Supreme Court permitted the ED to proceed with the auction of attached properties even before the completion of trial proceedings, with the aim of enabling repayment to investors through the Serious Fraud Investigation Office. ED officials said properties worth around 122 crore rupees have already been auctioned, but Shaik allegedly did not cooperate with executing sale deeds for successful bidders. Following a non-bailable warrant issued by the Hyderabad court earlier this month and based on intelligence inputs, the ED along with Haryana police tracked her down in Gurugram and arrested her. Further investigation into the case is underway. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.